Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a cool collab here with KiDi and Black Sherif. The song they created calls Lomo Lomo. Alright, so we have this melody. It's played high up here on the fretboard, and we'll combine that with some strumming played down here, some original standard chords. So let's go into this song together. No need for any capo. Alright, so I'm gonna bounce off between this higher and lower frets on the guitar. Yes, let's start with the chords used for the song. So we're gonna go with F sharp minor first, then D, and then E. So F sharp minor goes with a bar on the second fret, and you bar all strings there. And then you need to add fourth on A and fourth on D. Alright, that's the first chord. The next chord is the D. That goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. And speaking of E, that's the last chord. And it goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Alright, so F sharp, D, and E. Let's go into the melody first and then go into the strumming with the chords. So the melody goes high up here. I'm going to take you chord by chord now, starting with the F sharp minor. So the starting point here would be the best scenario for us, index finger on the 9th fret A string. And then you have your little ring finger on the 10th fret B string. And there behind the 10th fret B string, you have to be ready with the mid finger there. So you're gonna use the ring finger and mid finger on the 10th and 9th fret B string. Okay, so that's the starting point. You're gonna play like this. Okay, so that will be to play 9th fret A string, then 10B, then clap, then 9B with your mid finger, then stay with the index finger on the 9th fret A string during the whole time. You're gonna play that now. Then you go back to play the 10th fret B string, clap, and then 9A. That's the first half of this part for F sharp minor. And that is twice as long pretty much as the other chords. So the first part was like this, slowly. And the second part now comes. That will be 9th fret A string, 10 B, then clap, then 9A. And then comes this part where you go down with the mid finger on the 9th fret E string, high E. Then ring finger on the 10B, clap, and 11th D string with the little pinky. That's the end note of the F sharp minor part. Okay, so I'm gonna summarize for you. I'm gonna play slowly, slowly, so you really hear all the notes from the beginning till the end of the F sharp chord. Right, that's F sharp. Now to the D part, and you're gonna slide down to this position now. And I use my index on the 5th fret A string and my ring finger on the 7th fret B string. That is pretty much what you need for this grip. So that will be like this. Okay, so you're gonna start with 5th A string, 7th B, clap, then 2 times on the 5th A string, then 7th B, clap, and 5th A. Then another 5th A, 7th B, clap, and 5th A. So slowly it goes like this. that's the D part. And you slide up to the E part now. And you use the same grip pair, index and ring finger. You just slide up with the same pretty much grip there to the 7th and 9th position. So index finger on the 7th A and ring finger on the 9th B. And you're gonna play these two notes together first. So 7th A and 9th B together. And then you use a mid finger to get the 9th fret G string, clap, and 7th A. And that's the end note of E and this melody. All right, so there you have everything. I'm gonna take you through now from the beginning till the very end slowly, so you hear how it goes. And then I'm gonna speed up in a second round and play standard tempo. Okay, let's go. That's the melody, cool one. You can play like that from the beginning till the end, but you can also switch it up with some strumming. And then we need to go into that room and go to the chords. F sharp minor, D, and E. That's still the chord progression of chords. And we have a strumming that is divided into two different parts. So we're gonna use the F sharp minor to learn it. The first part will be like this. So down, I'll clap, down. Down, short pause, and then I'll clap, down. Okay, that's the first part. And then you have a short pause before you play part 2, and that will be then to play down, clap, down. And that's it. So if you combine these two parts, it will be down, or clap, down, down, clap, down. That's one round. A couple rounds. All right. So you're gonna play F sharp minor 2 full rounds. That means part 1 and part 2 for 2 rounds. And then you're gonna go to D and play 1 full round plus part 1. That means down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. 1 full round plus down, up, clap, down. And then you switch to E and play the part 2. So you finish up with the E chord and play part 2, the down, clap, down. So F sharp minor 2 full rounds, D 1 full round plus part 1, and then E part 2 like this. Alright guys, so this is Lomo Lomo from Gordon Guitar. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to support me here. And yeah, that is pretty much very appreciated. So thank you so much guys. Until next time, play tuned.